How to get an increase on your SBA disaster loan. According to the SBA regulations, you generally have 2 years from your initial approval date to request a loan increase. I've had clients approved for as little as $7,000 request a loan increase and got approved for $50,000. So if you are in need of more funding, keep watching. Now, in order to get an increase on your SBA disaster loan, you would go on to lending.sba.gov, sign in, and when you get to the home page, you will see your loan. You'll see the option to either make a payment or a more option. Click that more drop-down box option. Now you would click request loan modification. Once you see that pop up, are you sure you want to request a loan modification? You would click confirm. Now they will ask you to select the type of modification to your loan you would like to make. Now the only option here is for a loan increase. Once you click loan increase, you would click next to upload documents. All right, now once you get to this page, you will see your current loan amount, your dispersed loan amount, and your requested loan amount. Click request amount. Now enter the amount you would like to increase it to. Say you got approved for $30,000 and you'd like to increase it to $50,000, whatever suits your situation. Once you've entered in the amount you'd like to increase your loan to, you would click save recommendations. Now it'll ask you to please describe the reason why are you looking to increase your loan. You just enter in a brief description on why you're looking to increase your loan. The next question it'll ask you is how are you planning on using your funds? And you would do the same here. Enter in a brief description on how you plan on using your funds. Now, once you've answered those 2 questions, you would click next to upload documents. Now it will ask you to either upload a construction plan or any supporting documentation that shows any repair costs, any mitigation work, and so on. So it can be as simple as writing down a list of any damaged equipment, any physical damage to your property. So it can be if you lost any computers, you would write the type of computer you lost and how much it costs, any furniture. I'll show you a quick B-roll of a list of damaged equipment and any damaged items to personal property. You can also go on to ChatGPT, enter in anything you lost, the price, and prompt it to create you a detailed list to request a loan increase for the SBA. Now, once you've come up with that list or that construction plan, you would upload that one document and click next. They also give you an option to upload another document. And of course, check that box that says, I certify that the supporting documentation provided is true and accurate in all material respects. So when you're uploading your document, it'll ask you for the document type. You can click loan modification request supporting documentation or any of these that apply to you. You could enter in the document name, select the file, and click save. Now, once you've uploaded your supporting documentation to request a loan increase, you would click that checkbox that says, I certify that the supporting documentation provided is true and accurate in all material respects, and click next. Now it will show you a brief summary of your loan modification, and you'd click submit, and your request is completed. All right, guys, after you've completed your request, don't forget to check your messages in your loan portal for any updates on your loan increase. If you haven't received any updates, I left a link down below on how to reach a real person at the Disaster Loan Customer Service Center. You just give them your loan number and the last 4 digits of your social security number, and they will help you. All right, good luck, guys. Peace.